Welcome to the Baseface Network.
Hello everyone, my name is Tifani Maharani. I am from class 8A and I want to make Milo's ice.
Ice, Milo, chocolate Nutrigel, sugar, spoon, and scissors. Firstly, put the Nutrigel into the pan, then add in sugar. Then stir until evenly mixed. After that, turn on the stove, then add enough water. Then stir the Nutrigel so it doesn't get lumpy. Once the Nutrigel is cooked, turn off the stove. After turning off the stove, add ice cubes to the pan so that the Nutrigel becomes like moss. Add more ice cubes if the Nutrigel still hasn't turned into moss. If it has become moss, remove it and drain it. After that, put the Milo in a glass, then brew it with warm water. If the Milo has dissolved, add ice cubes. And finally, add the moss Nutrigel that we have made. Then stir until evenly mixed. And this is the result.